Is the commercial feed the reason so many people's chickens have not been laying at all?
Oh, it's the feed.
Something is wrong with the chicken food we're buying.
My chickens aren't laying. Let's talk about why your chickens aren't laying.
So it seems a lot of people are having problems with their chickens laying eggs. And a lot of the conclusions that people are coming up with is that it's most likely the feed. And in my conclusion, it probably is the feed. But what I don't see people asking is, what is it about the feed that's causing the chickens not to lay eggs? Now, a few years ago, researching the Jabby Jab, I came across some information about how they want to use RNA technology in the food supply. Well, I think here it is, folks. I found plenty of information about using RNA sequencing in the feed and dealing with chickens that this could potentially be it. Here's an article I found right here. Methods have been primarily applied without knowledge of underlying biological changes that may have been induced by Section 5.6. What's Section 5.6? Number 5, commercial approaches to genetic selection for growth and feed conversion in domestic poultry. Now, guys, I really do think this is a possibility, and I hope some other people